Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on all so you can be up to date with my channel. The first book of Chronicles, chapter 24, verses 1 to 31:1. These were the divisions of the sons of Aaron. The sons of Aaron: Nadab, Abihu, Eleazar, and Ithamar. 2. But Nadab and Abihu died before their father and had no children. Therefore Eleazar and Ithamar served as priests. 3. David, with Zadok of the sons of Eleazar and Ahimelech of the sons of Ithamar, divided them according to their ordering in their service. 4. There were more chief men found of the sons of Eleazar than of the sons of Ithamar, and they were divided like this. Of the sons of Eleazar there were 16 heads of fathers' houses, and of the sons of Ithamar, according to their fathers' houses, 8. 5. Thus they were divided impartially by drawing lots. For there were princes of the sanctuary and princes of God, both of the sons of Eleazar and of the sons of Ithamar. 6. Shemaiah, the son of Nethanel the scribe, who was of the Levites, wrote them in the presence of the king. The princes: Zadok the priest, Ahimelech the son of Abiathar, and the heads of the fathers' households of the priests and of the Levites. 1 father's house being taken for Eleazar, and 1 taken for Ithamar. 7. Now the first lot came out to Jehoiarib, the second to Jediah, 8 the third to Haram, the 4th to Seoram, 9 the 5th to Malchijah, the 6th to Mijamin, 10 the 7th to Hakkoz, the 8th to Abijah, 11 the 9th to Jeshua, the 10th to Shechaniah, 12 the 11th to Eliashib, the 12th to Jachim, 13 the 13th to Huppah, the 14th to Jeshabib, 14 the 15th to Bilgah, the 16th to Immer, 15 the 17th to Hezir, the 18th to Hapizzez, 16 the 19th to Pethahiah, the 20th to Jehezkel, 17 the 21st to Yakin, the 22nd to Gamiel, 18 the 23rd to Deliah, and the 24th to Maaziah. 19. This was their ordering in their service, to come into the Lord's house according to the ordinance given to them by Aaron their father, as the Lord, the God of Israel, had commanded him. 20. Of the rest of the sons of Levi: of the sons of Amram, Shubal; of the sons of Shubal, Jediah. 21. Of Rehabiah: of the sons of Rehabiah, Ishiah the chief. 22. Of the Izharites, Shalomith; of the sons of Shalomith, Shahath. 23. The sons of Hebron: Jeriah, Amariah the second, Jahaziel the third, and Jekamin the fourth. 24. The sons of Eziel: Micah; of the sons of Micah, Shamir. 25. The brother of Micah, Ishiah; of the sons of Ishiah, Zechariah. 26. The sons of Merari: Mali and Musi, the son of Yaziah, Beno. 27. The sons of Merari by Yaziah: Beno, Shaham, Zachar, and Ibri. 28. Of Mali, Eleazar, who had no sons. 29. Of Kish, the son of Kish, Jeramiel. 30. The sons of Mushi: Mali, Eder, and Jerimoth. These were the sons of the Levites after their fathers' houses. 31. These likewise cast lots, even as their brothers the sons of Aaron, in the presence of David the king: Zadok, Ahimelech, and the heads of the fathers' households of the priests and of the Levites, the fathers' households of the chief, even as those of his younger brother. Thank you so much for joining me watching and learning about the first book of Chronicles, chapter 24, verses 1 to 31. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.